Meaning of flammable.
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 Flammable. Flammable is used to describe materials that are capable of easily catching fire and burning. When a substance is considered flammable, it means that it can ignite or explode if it comes into contact with an ignition source, such as a flame, spark, or heat. The result of using flammable materials irresponsibly or without proper precautions can be very dangerous and potentially deadly. It is important to carefully handle and store flammable substances to prevent accidents and reduce the risk of fires or explosions.